This guy is my jigsaw table. I call it the BSE, which stands for bandsaw envy. Let me show you what it looks like inside. So this guy is sitting on top of the stand for my table saw. My contractor table saw I built into a table, so I didn't need that. So it seemed this would be the perfect use for it, which makes it pretty convenient for moving it around. It's got a 4-inch dust port on the back here. It actually works pretty good. It does leave a little bit of dust in there, but usually it's more chunks that would fall down through here. This is a 1/4-inch piece of plexiglass. It's just sitting in there. It's not mounted down in there in any way. It'll pop loose. And then this just pops open like this. And you can see that this isn't mounted in there. It's just sitting loose. I put the switch box together with these guards to make sure nothing could accidentally turn it on. Got a single out in the back here. Like I said, the 4-inch dust collection port. There's not much in here, and I've used it quite a bit. And then I've got a couple of these kind of toy chest hold opens that just keep it from going too far. And then there is a piano hinge down here. The top is just a plywood glue up with some pine running around the exterior. And I laid up this knob out of plywood. And that's about it.